About these anti-theft systems, and I tried a lot of times. It says push and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to go away this sign, error message on my Honda Insight. But this is applicable to any cars. The thing is, here the power button, that doesn't mean really power button. That's the button in your audio system. So take a look here. Here, if you see my next one, you see here the home, back, and then the audio volume and the audio. That's what they mean, the power buttons. So this one, you see my finger. If you push that for 2 seconds, then that will go away. Not the red power buttons. So that's, I don't know how they are sending this message, but that's the little button there you need to push for 2 seconds to go away that anti-theft error message. So now it's gone. Look, now it's already working. It's very simple, but sometimes the direction were not that clear for me. So don't press this red power button. That's what they didn't mean to say power button. If you press the radio power button 2 seconds, it will go. Not this red power button here. Okay, the other one here next to the audio. All right. Good luck.